let's all go in and check out the new comedy roast show, Roast Battlin. And y'all like and subscribe and hit that channel. Hey, and if you got jokes, I want to hear them.
Yeah! You asked for it. Boy, you a bitch. Make come out here and you and that Biggie Mo looking motherfucker. That Biggie Mo looking motherfucker. Something like, yeah. Boy, don't hit back, bitch. Fine fuck, though. I said, well, goddamn. Feline drunker than a motherfucker.
Hey, Feline.
What's going on?
Nigga call himself Feline.
It ain't Feline, it's Feeler.
That nigga pro kid.
It's Feeler.
That nigga goddamn pro wings.
It's
Call it pro wings.
I don't even wear
And all them things.
But all that work.
And check out the new comedy show, Roast Battlin, from Chattanooga, Tennessee. Who got jokes?
Look at him. I know you ain't old, motherfucking gator mouth looking ass. Nah, they don't come with no doubt today, nigga. This motherfucking roast, nigga. Your goddamn looking like Cool Joe looking ass, nigga. Your class of 88 old ass, nigga, 30 years, motherfucker. Nigga, what the fuck you mean, nigga? But how old that make you 60? Nigga, you old ass motherfucker wanna come over here playing with me. Nigga, go to the goddamn, go to the motherfucking dentist. Go, matter of fact, go to the doctor here so that you can make an appointment ASAP. Cause you need to get your shit fixed. I'm talking about like for real. Like, you got black shit, orange shit, green shit, purple shit.
That's where you
wrong.
wrong.
That shit look like you done rolled up a whole blunt and that shit just in your motherfucking mouth. Nigga. Let me roll that shit up real quick. Hit it, America.
Nigga, you need to go get checked for scoliosis, motherfucker.
Nah, you need to go get checked
You
for
sitting
that
down
shit
there,
in your
nigga, humping your
motherfucking
back.
mouth.
Nigga, you got a backpack on up under that shirt.
Nah, but I got your ass.
You got a backpack on up
I
under
got
that shirt.
motherfucking plenty of dinner insurance for your motherfucking ass, though. I know that. Goddamn, you need to go get your shit fixed. Cause goddamn it smell like parquet in this motherfucker. And I'm talking about not no good kind, nigga. I'm talking about the kind that come out Gerudo, not the Tudor.
Nigga, you got me fucked up.
I'm talking about bad.
You got me fucked up, bro.
Scoliosis mouth ass. Nigga, what's that shit they call
that's
that
your
shit?
back.
That shit, what's that shit they call that America? When your mouth smell real bad and it just smell just bad.
Gingivitis.
Gingivitis mouth ass. Nigga, you need some Listerine, some scope. Goddamn, all that shit in one.
You get
and
niggas
run
some
that
assistance.
shit.
See what I'm saying?
And
You
put it in
run
a
the
bag.
sideline.
Shake that. Oh wait, whoa.
You run the
Put it in
sideline.
a jar. Shake that shit up real motherfucker good.
He showing y'all how he
Throw
jack.
that motherfucking shit in his mouth.
He showing
Like
y'all
that.
how he jack
Nah,
off.
motherfucker, that's how you need
That's
to
how he
do
jack
that
dick
shit.
in his mouth.
When
You
you
see how
motherfucking
close-
goddamn put
you see
that
how close he put his
I don't
hand to
put
his mouth.
dicks in my
You
mouth.
see how close he
That
put his
look
hand
like
to
he
his
got
mouth.
hands in his mouth. The motherfucking glass dicks. I had them motherfucking glass pipes up, nigga. That's what's wrong with your shit, nigga.
Yeah,
Nigga, got goddamn Wilcox Tunnel, Brenner Road Tunnel, East Ridge Tunnel, goddamn, what's that motherfucker in New York? Goddamn, the Brooklyn Bridge Tunnel, nigga. You got all, nigga, pay a toll when you come around this motherfucker, nigga. Toll mouth looking ass, nigga. Ching ching, nigga. Let me throw a quarter in that motherfucker. Let me pay a toll. Bloop. Nigga, oh, I forgot everything done inflation. So let me swipe my motherfucking card. I gotta pay an easy pass, nigga. Nah, let me give me an easy pass, but nigga, so next time I come through this motherfucker, I can just drive on
Nigga,
back
your skin
in
ass
that motherfucking tunnel, nigga.
Your skin ass do the goddamn swipe.
Nigga, big
Turn
booty
you
shit, nigga.
sideways,
That what
nigga,
look like
you
you
go
been
straight through that
eating
motherfucker.
bad ass, nigga.
Nigga,
You
you
need
go
to get
straight
you some
through that
vitamins,
motherfucker. Turn you
nigga.
sideways and swipe
And
you
fix
straight
your
through.
motherfucking shit,
But they wouldn't
nigga.
get shit
The
but-
fuck you mean?
they wouldn't
nigga?
get shit but
Nigga,
black-
they wouldn't get shit out your mouth but butter and motherfucking badass decay, nigga. That's the only thing they getting out your shit, nigga. Go get your shit fixed for you. Come walking up.
Laugh out loud, man. Don't be scared to laugh.
It's wrong today.
To laugh out loud, man.
Nigga,
Don't be scared.
Shit. Nigga, it look like somebody done took a whole bunch of blunts, roaches, and put it in his motherfucking mouth, and he been chewing them bitches.
Nigga, so black
what they
people
call
know
that
I
shit?
just use this.
Residue mouth looking ass, nigga.
I just use this motherfucker to clean my grill. Cause I'm gonna be grilling tomorrow.
Motherfucking mouth.
No, nigga, I turned you like this. I did you like this, nigga.
That's what like your mouth look like, nigga.
You ain't even got
been
no black
cleaning
shirt, nigga. That's your
grills,
skin.
ties, the ground.
That nigga ain't wearing no
been
black shirt.
cutting motherfucking grass with your shit,
That ain't no
nigga.
black shirt,
The
that's
fuck
his
you
black
mean?
ass.
Oh, weed eater mouth looking ass, nigga.
done used
Look
that
like
before.
you. That's alright, nigga. You done used a lot of jokes. A lot of motherfuckers done used before on me. So where the fuck your originality at? I don't fucking know. It sure ain't in his motherfucking mouth. I tell you that. Shit.
Man, that nigga ain't talking about nothing.
You been talking for a minute, man.
Yeah. He won't even let a nigga get
No,
nothing
stick
in.
your hand behind. Don't stick your hand behind. That's the torture.
Yeah, he gave you time to think of something, man. He gave you a break.
I'm out.
He can't think of nothing
You
because
Mike
that
Tyson.
motherfucking mouth done motherfucking fucked him up. That's what it is. That 1, 2, 3, 4, bow, 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 bow. And then look at his grill. Make him smile. He gonna look like Cassius Clay old ass.
Damn, not the clay. Not Cassius. That nigga said Cassius Clay.
He gonna look like that motherfucker when Martin looked like goddamn when he fought Tommy Hearns looking ass. Nigga, that ass look.
I'm a holler.
Hey, boy, that had enough fun. Talley got roasted.
So, boy, you got jokes. Hey, y'all, let's all go in and check out the new comedy roast show, Roast Battlin. And y'all like and subscribe and hit that channel. Hey, and if you got jokes, I want to hear them.
You asked for it.
Boy, you a bitch. Make come out here and you and that Biggie Mo looking motherfucker. That Biggie Mo looking motherfucker talking like, yeah. Boy, don't hit back, bitch. Fine smoke though. I said, well, goddamn. Feline drunker than a motherfucker.
Hey, feline.
What's going on?
Nigga call himself feline.
It ain't feline, it's feeler.
That nigga
Feeler.
pro kid.
It's feeler. It's
That nigga goddamn
F-I-L-A.
pro wings.
It's
Call him
F-I-
pro wings.
I don't even wear
And all them things.
But all
And check out the new comedy show, Roast Battlin, from Chattanooga, Tennessee. Who got jokes?